Welcome to Mechanic. We're going to go over the procedure or a way to replace the air filters for the engine, right? So the air filter for the engine is under this panels here. You got two, so times two, 1, 2. We're going to go over how you go ahead and replace those panels and what to do to remove it. This motor is an M113 motor, which is a V8. This is the V8 version. So to replace the air filter, first we got to pop this up, and we want to kind of just jiggle it backward to get the clips on the back to come undone. Just kind of jiggle them back, and you see these clips are what's pushed in right here and here, and then this one is a big clip down here. The clips are around there to hold the thing all in place. And then we're going to move it and pull it back. And we're going to set that to the side. And then also to get into here, you might as well, these things you can just kind of pull them back, squeeze them together, put it out this way here. Same thing, there's one on both sides. And then the next, you're going to want to just kind of pull up on this. They're held on by some these held on by some clamps right here that go around these rubber grommets. And there's two on the back, two on the front. Pop it off, and then this is a cone that goes into your mass airflow sensor, right? And then to get to these, we're going to want to take your 225s, and we're going to want to undo this. So you can just go ahead and sit that there, or you can sit it on your work table. And you got 4 on each side to undo. Just back them out, and you'll back them out, and then they'll get really loose, and they just kind of stay in there. They're not set to come completely out. So you can all loosen up. Left one here. Once you got the 4 bolts loose, so once we got the 4 bolts or 225s loose, you just kind of press down on this, pull it up like this, and then here is your air filter. Okay, so we've got an air filter, and you would go ahead and just remove this. So we would just go ahead and remove it. This is the old air filter. And then this is actually original Mercedes-Benz. It's got your numbers that you would need. You can go to AutoZone or anywhere and buy an air filter. And you would just buy the air filter. You go ahead and get a new air filter. Right? And then you're just going to take it and slide it in. Right? I got the same one. You're going to slide it in. And then you're going to go ahead and push it. Put it the right direction. Then you're going to go ahead and put it on here, down like that, and then you would tighten these 4. So we would place the air filters inside here and button it all back up, tighten it up, and then we're going to go ahead and put this on. There's these 4 clamps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're going to touch onto these grommets. So we're going to just put this back over. Just want to make sure there's a center piece here that lines up that mass airflow sensor. We want to make sure that's lined up where it needs to be. And then push it down, make sure it's connected. Maybe put your hand back here and feel and make sure that connection went right where it needs to go. Easiest, then we just go ahead with these and put it back in like this, that direction, just these 2 together, and then again on this side, these together, kind of sit in there like that. It goes into your radiator. And then we go ahead, we got this, like I said, we got these tabs here. We got two to push in here, and the two that clip in the top here. We're gonna kind of push those two in. Okay, push that side. We're gonna push that side and pop it down like that. Okay, put the air filters in, change them, put them back in, and put your cover plates back on your SL. Thank you for watching.